Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify insurance payout timing with USAA. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To verify your insurance payout timing with USAA, start by logging into your USAA account. Visit the official USAA website or open the mobile app. Enter your username and password to access your account. Once logged in, navigate to the claims section of the dashboard. Locate your active claims or recent claims list. Select the specific claim you want to verify payout timing for. Review the claim details, including any noted payout information. Check for any updates or notifications related to your claim. If details are unclear, look for a contact or customer service option. Reach out to USAA's representatives for assistance. Prepare your claim number for quicker reference when you call or chat. Ask about the expected timing for your insurance payout. Take note of any information provided regarding potential delays. Ensure you understand the process for receiving your funds. After the call, keep an eye on your email for updates from USAA. Monitor your bank account for the payout once it's processed. Follow up as needed if you don't receive confirmation. Stay informed about your rights and options throughout the process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.